Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Tadpole Photovoltaic Charger upgrade in Subnautica 2. Before heading out, make sure to bring a repair tool, since you'll need it to access the blueprint. Start from the front courtyard of the alien ruins, located about 1,040 meters east of your life pod. From there, head 105 degrees on your compass and keep swimming straight. Maintain a depth of around 100 meters to stay aligned with the wreck. As you continue, you'll eventually spot the silhouette of the alien power plant to your left, confirming you're on the right path. Soon you'll reach a plateau with several tall rock formations and a wreck resting beside them. Enter the wreck through the entrance on its left side. Once inside, turn right and you'll find a damaged door. Repair it using your repair tool, then continue through the doorway and turn left into the next room. The photovoltaic charger data card usually spawns on top of the kitchen counter in this room, although it may occasionally appear elsewhere inside the wreck. If it isn't there, look for the hatch in one corner of the room and swim down through it. After exiting the hatch, turn right and swim through the opening in the wall. You'll enter another room with several opened crates. Inside one of the large crates, you'll find the photovoltaic charger data card. Interact with it to unlock the blueprint. After that, return to your base and craft the photovoltaic charger at a modification station using 1 copper ingot, 1 strong acid, and 1 troilite. Once crafted, install it in your Tadpole's upgrade compartment behind the power cell slot. The photovoltaic charger slowly recharges your Tadpole's power cell during the daytime while you're in shallow waters, making it an excellent upgrade for long expeditions far from your base or any charging station. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.